Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add or change permissions for this or for your channel on the youtube.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that, you should scroll down on this left side column of the screen and tap on settings down below. Then go to the Your YouTube channel section and click on channel status and features. You should wait a few seconds till it loads and then you should click on upload this permissions button in the left side column, and then you can add permissions. As you can see, tap on the invite button in the upper right corner of this section. And then you should type in the user's email address that you would like to invite. And after that, you should select the role of this person, such as the manager, who can view everything, manage permissions, go live, create, edit, and delete the content. Or there is the editor role, meaning that it can view everything, go live, and create and edit content, but can't manage permissions or delete content. There's the limited editor, subtitle editor, viewer, and limited viewer options too, so just simply tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose, click on the done button and tap on the save button down below. Then your invitation will be sent to your recipient. So that's pretty much it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.